Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt here, and today we're talking about day one essentials for your Tesla Model Y. These are the things that you need to have ready on or do before you even pick up your car. The Tesla Model Y is an amazing vehicle, but it can also be a very complex car. There are a lot of features and settings to learn, and it can take some time to get used to everything. That's why it's important to be prepared on day one. By having the right things ready, you can start enjoying your new car to the fullest from the moment you pick it up. I've been driving Teslas for a few years now, and I've learned a lot about what's important to have ready on day one to have the best possible experience. So let's dive in. The Tesla app is one of the most useful tools for any Tesla owner. It's crucial to have the Tesla app downloaded and ready to go for when you pick up your Tesla. It allows you to do everything from checking your car's charging status, to preheating or pre-cooling the cabin, to even summoning the car to you. Imagine you're walking out of the airport after a long flight. You're tired and hungry and you just want to get home. But your car is parked in a remote parking lot and it's cold outside. With the Tesla app, you can summon your car to you, preheat the cabin, and start the climate control. So by the time you get in your car, it's already warm and comfortable. The Tesla app is also great for checking your car's charging status. So you can make sure your car is always fully charged and ready to go. And if you're ever worried about your car's security, you can turn on Sentry Mode in the Tesla app. This will monitor your car for suspicious activity and send you notifications if anything happens. These are just some of the reasons why the Tesla app is something you should have downloaded and ready to go for your delivery day. It's convenient, useful, and secure. Now, one of the most important things you can do to optimize your Tesla ownership experience is to install a home charging solution before you take delivery of your vehicle so it's ready for day one of ownership. This will allow you to charge your car overnight at a fraction of the cost of public charging. There are a variety of home charging solutions that can fit your needs and your budget. The most convenient option is the Tesla wall connector, which can charge your Model Y at a rate of up to 44 miles of range per hour. This is the fastest way to charge your car at home, and it's also the most convenient. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, you can install a NEMA 1450 outlet. It can charge your Model Y at a rate of around 30 miles of range per hour. This is still a very fast charging speed, and it's more than enough for most people's needs. Now, if you don't have a garage or access to a dedicated 240 volt outlet, you can still charge your Tesla at home using a standard 120 volt wall outlet. This is a slower charging speed than using a dedicated outlet, but it's still a viable option for many people. One popular portable level 1 charger is Electron Tesla Level 1 charger. This charger is lightweight, compact, and easy to use. It simply plugs into a standard wall outlet, and it can charge your Model Y at a rate of around 3 to 4 miles of range per hour. While this charging speed is slower than what you get with a dedicated outlet, it's still a good option for many people, especially if you only drive a short distance each day and you have the ability to charge your car overnight. Now, as you are probably aware, Tesla no longer includes the mobile connector with a vehicle purchase. This Electron charger is actually more affordable than a Tesla mobile connector, and it provides convenient overnight charging at 15 amps. The thing I like about Electron is that they prioritize safety and reliability. This charger has an IP65 water resistance rating and has built-in protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits, so you can confidently enjoy secure and dependable charging every time. In my testing with Electron portable charger, I've been impressed with the build quality and the performance. One of my favorite things about it is that it's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry with you on road trips or just to have in the back of your car as a backup. And it's a great option for anyone looking for a portable and affordable home charging solution for their Tesla. Electron has hooked me up with an amazing discount code as well. Use the code MATT7 at checkout to get 7% off your entire order. No minimum purchase is required, and this code is valid until January 31st of 2024. Link is in the description for you to check out. Also, I decided I want to give this charger away to a lucky viewer. All you have to do to enter is like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with at least 2 friends, and leave a comment on why you want this charger or how it will benefit you. The winner will be announced by the end of the month on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me there to stay updated. One of the most important things you can do as a new Tesla Model Y owner is learn the controls. Teslas are packed with features and technology, and it can take some time to get used to everything. I highly recommend getting familiar with at least the basics of a Tesla, so that on day one you can have more time to learn and enjoy all of the other features your Tesla has to offer. If you're not the type to read the owner's manual, there are a lot of helpful videos on YouTube that can teach you the basics of your Tesla Model Y. In fact, I made a Tesla beginners video where I share key tips and tricks to help you as a new Tesla owner. That video is linked in the description below for you to check out. You can also find a lot of information on Tesla's website and online forums. There are the basic controls such as a steering wheel, touchscreen, and gear selector, and there are other features and settings that you can learn about. For example, you can learn how to use autopilot, summon, and other driver assistance features. You can also learn how to customize your car's settings to your liking. But there are quite a few hidden Tesla features that you may not know about. Lucky for you, I made a detailed video where I go over the 23 hidden Tesla features you should know about. I highly recommend this video for both new and existing Tesla owners. This video will be linked in the description below for you to check out. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this in the future. Also, check that notification bell to not miss a single video. Your support means a lot to me. As a Tesla owner, you want to make sure you have all of the accessories and upgrades to make your driving experience as convenient and enjoyable as possible. So take a good look around your car and figure out what accessories will benefit you the most. For example, this armrest cover from Spigen brings comfort to the road and helps prevent scratches. Also, this cup holder insert is sleek and buckles up your cups for the ride. You can finally hit the road without worrying about holding your beverages on your next turn. And the screen cleaner will brush up and clean your screen with ease. I highly recommend these accessories from Spigen as they have very high quality accessories for your Tesla. The links to all of these accessories will be in the description below for your convenience. These are just a few examples of useful accessories, but be careful not to fall in the trap of buying accessories you don't really need. Do some research and make informed decisions on what accessories are worth their investment. Lucky for you, I've got you covered with my other videos where I go over the top accessories to have on delivery day, from floor mats to paint protection film to cargo covers, and to even some accessories you did not know you needed. So take some time to do your research and invest in accessories that will benefit you the most on your driving journey. Check out the links in the description below for my recommended Tesla accessories and my other videos on the best and most essential Tesla Model Y and Tesla Model 3 accessories. Trust me, they'll definitely make your driving experience better. Now when it comes to protecting your Tesla from theft or vandalism, Sentry Mode is a crucial feature that you don't want to overlook. Sentry Mode is an advanced anti-theft system that utilizes your built-in cameras of your Tesla to monitor any suspicious activities when your car is parked and locked. It's continuously recording from all angles of the car, giving you an excellent view of any incidents that may occur. To get started, all new Teslas come equipped with a 128GB thumb drive to record Sentry Mode events. Make sure that the USB that comes with your car is properly set up and ready to go for Sentry Mode. You can easily format the USB drive from the touchscreen. But some people believe that thumb drives fall short of the rapid write speeds that Sentry Mode and dashcam requires out of them for optimal performance. This is why a lot of Tesla owners opt to find the best SSD for Sentry Mode instead of going with a USB drive that comes with your car. Apart from writing speeds, a portable SSD also has more durability than an average USB drive. SSDs are better for constant rewriting, like how Sentry Mode is continuously recording and rewriting over old recordings. I've linked a few of the SSDs I recommend for Sentry Mode in the description below. The next thing to do is a time-sensitive one, and you may want to act quickly from day one. You may want to consider installing PPF or applying a ceramic coating. It's also crucial to protect your investment by taking care of its exterior. That's where a paint protection film or a ceramic coating comes in. These options will help protect your car's paint from the harsh elements, and the PPF prevents it from being scratched or damaged. It's essential to get it done as soon as possible while your car's paint is still pristine and free from imperfections. If you're not confident in doing it yourself, it's best to schedule an appointment with a reputable shop and have it done professionally. Now, if you're feeling up for the challenge and want to save some serious cash, consider installing your own paint protection film and applying your own ceramic coating. There are plenty of DIY kits available on the market that are intuitive and easy to use. Not only can you save money, but you can also take pride in knowing that you did the work yourself. I've personally installed PPF on my front bumper and hood with great results. It only cost me a few $100s, which is significant savings compared to the $2,000 to $4,000 I was quoted by professional shops. And with a ceramic coating, I saved around $1,500 by doing it myself. I even made a video demonstrating the process, which you can check out in the description below. In that video, I also discussed the benefits of ceramic coating your car, so be sure to give it a watch. And finally, number 7, have fun. Enjoy the experience and all of the amazing features that your new car has to offer. From the moment you take your seat and grip the wheel, you'll realize that driving a Tesla Model Y is a thrill like no other. The instant torque provided by the electric motors means you'll have all the power at your disposal with just a tap of the accelerator. It's like having a sports car and an SUV rolled into one. But it's not just about speed, it's about the entire package. Take time to appreciate the seamless integration of technology and design. The minimalist interior dominated by that massive touchscreen feels like a portal to the future. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about Teslas and the Model Y, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment your thoughts on the Tesla Model Y down below. As always, thank you all for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.